Greetings to all my dear students. Welcome to my home education channel, and I'm here today with a note of another lesson, Lesson 4, Unit 2, Grade 10 Social Studies. The title of the unit is Development and its Infrastructures, and the lesson is Contemporary Development Goals and Nepal. And I am presenting you the answers of Group A and Group B questions, very short and short questions. And here I go. A. Very short questions answers. Question number 1 is write the full forms of the following MDG, SDG. The full form of MDG is Millennium Development Goals, and the full form of SDG is Sustainable Development Goals. 2. How many targets were set as the Millennium Development Goals and the Sustainable Development Goals? Answer: 8 targets were set as the Millennium Development Goals and 17 targets were set as Sustainable Development Goals. Question number 3. Though the Millennium Development Goals had set drinking water facility to be provided to 73% by every partner country by 2015 AD, Nepal had achieved it to 83.6%. What might be the reason behind this success? Write reason. So the question is long, but the answer is not that long. It's a very short question. So you can write the answer in one line. The reason behind this success might be the peace process of Nepal. And now we go to question number 4. Which of the 2 sustainable development goals do you feel Nepal will fail to achieve? Mention them. I feel Nepal will fail to achieve goal number 1, no poverty, and goal number 10, reduce inequalities. Question number 5. What is Millennium Development Goals? Answer: Millennium Development Goals is a 15-year-long program of United Nations organizations launched in 2000 AD. Question number 6. What is Sustainable Development Goals? Answer: Sustainable Development Goals is a 15-year-long program of UNO launched in 2016 AD. Now we are moving to short questions. Short answers questions. B, Group B. And question number 1 is, what are Millennium Development Goals? What do you think Nepal succeeded or failed in achieving it? The Millennium Development Goals are: 1. Eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. 2. Achieve universal primary education. 3. Promote gender equality and empower women. 4. Reduce child mortality. 5. Improve maternal health. 6. Combat HIV/AIDS and other diseases such as malaria and TB. 7. Ensure environmental sustainability. 8. Develop a global partnership for development. I think Nepal partly succeeded in achieving the goals. It is obvious that Nepal could not achieve all the goals which were set, but most of the goals have been achieved. Similarly, you can move on to question number 2. Summarize the central agenda set by the Sustainable Development Goals for 2016 AD to 2030 AD. Sustainable Development Goal was launched in the year 2016 AD. This program was launched to give continuity to the systematic development approach and to tackle the challenges in development of the member countries of United Nations. The main objectives of Sustainable Development Goals are to end poverty and inequality and injustice, tackle climate change, etc. by 2030 AD. And this program has the aim to end poverty completely from the world, that is, no poverty or zero poverty by 2030 AD. And talking about other important goals, this program has the aim of gender equality to end violence against women and girls and reduce inequalities to increase the national average income of 40% people who are below poverty level. And other important objective of this development goal is to develop capacity in solving the hazards of climate change, and this goal also aims to save life below water and life on land. Similarly, there are other important objectives of this development program will, who will be, which will be achieved by 2030 AD. Here you have to read this, which will be achieved by 2030 AD. Go to question number 3. Which of the sustainable development goals do you find most crucial to Nepal? Crucial means important, pivotal, significant. Among all the development goals, sustainable development goals, which is the most crucial to Nepal, which is most important, that means. Though all the aims of sustainable development goals are important to Nepal, goal number 1, goal number 2, and goal number 17 are most crucial to Nepal, because goal number 1 is no poverty, goal number 2 is zero hunger, and goal number 17 is partnership for the goals. In the context of Nepal, no poverty is very crucial because this goal has the aim to end absolute poverty from all the people, and in Nepal we still have some percent of the people who still live below the poverty line, and it is difficult to end poverty totally in Nepal, and if it is solved, it will be very important for national development. The next goal is zero hunger, that is no people will die of hunger. Still in Nepal some people are suffering from starvation and hunger, and this is very crucial goal to Nepal. Lastly, partnerships for the goals is very important to Nepal because Nepal is a developing country, and for developing countries like Nepal, this program is very crucial as it works for getting international assistance, aid, donation, etc. for national development. Go to next question, question number 4. There are challenges on achieving the targets set by Sustainable Development Goals. How can Nepal achieve them? Suggest any 4 strategies. So here is the answer. Definitely, there are challenges during the implementation of any type of development programs. They also have some hindrances. They also have some hindrances on the way. We cannot achieve our goals unless we face and solve those challenges. In order to achieve sustainable development goals in Nepal, we need to adopt the following strategies, and here I have mentioned the strategies in points. Like we need to establish political stability in the country. We need to make long-term policies and strategies to achieve sustainable development goals. We need to collaborate among the concerned agencies, corporations, and authorities within the country. We need to complete the peace process of Nepal. We also need to work together to achieve sustainable development goals. We need to fulfill the demands of the minority people, underprivileged people, and other needy people. We need to implement federalism properly in Nepal. So these are the strategies. Question number 5. The report forwarded by National Planning Commission shows that absolute poverty in Nepal has been reduced to 23.8%. What might be the reasons behind decreasing of poverty? Find out any 4 reasons. And answer is, according to the report of National Planning Commission, poverty has been reduced in Nepal. I think the following might be the reasons behind the decreasing of poverty. Point number 1, because of the peace process of the country. Next, because of political stability and the majority government. Next, because many youths have gone abroad for foreign employment. There is working environment in the country. Some industries and trade have flourished inside the country. The youth educated are doing some industrious work inside the country. There is peace in the country, and the development projects of the country have resumed their activities. Because of these reasons, poverty in Nepal has decreased. And this is the end of the notes of group A and B. Very short question and short questions. From this unit, long question is not asked. So I hope you have got the sufficient note, and to help the people like you, to help the students like you, to help your friends and their friends during this pandemic situation. So don't forget to share this channel, and in order to get other notes, definitely you will subscribe. If not, I hope you have already subscribed. So thank you very much. See you next day with another note of another lesson. Thank you very much.